The Audi Q2 models will receive a significant upgrade in mid-2024. Effective immediately, every new Audi Q2 will come with the Audi Virtual Cockpit and an 8.8-inch touchscreen as the central control unit for the MMI. A convenient storage compartment replaces the previous rotary/push button. In contrast to traditional dial instruments, the 12.3-inch fully digital cockpit features a bright Full HD display and a wide range of customization options. Additional safety features, such as traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, and rear park assist, further expand the range of standard equipment. The base price for the Audi Q2 is €28,600.